I've been growing and coaching people on social media for over 4 years now. I have 7,000 followers on YouTube, over 12,000 on LinkedIn, and 44,000 on TikTok. I've coached thousands of business owners on how to succeed online and how to go from 0 followers all the way to making money through your social media account. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing a lot of my tips and tricks on how to get a fast start and how to be successful on all these different social media platforms. I do want to mention my free SEO course, which teaches you how to use SEO keywords to supercharge and enhance your social media posts. I leverage SEO on all my social media posts, and it's resulted in me getting hundreds of thousands of views on social media consistently month after month after month. Now, the first platform I want to talk about is YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms to grow on. It's been around for a very long time. It has a lot of different features, from YouTube Shorts to long form videos to YouTube podcast to community post, and it's incredibly robust. And I think more than anything, it mimics the TikTok platform. The other main advantage of YouTube is that it is embedded into Google, and so when people search for things online, there's a high likelihood that they will find your YouTube videos if you use those SEO social media techniques. Now, my recommendation for YouTube is to post 1 long form video a day and 2 to 3 shorts a day. Post 1 short in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. For your long form videos, make sure to add a great YouTube thumbnail, add a detailed description, insert your timestamps, and use the related videos feature on YouTube Shorts to further promote your long form YouTube videos. The related shorts feature on YouTube essentially allows you to link YouTube Shorts, which can go viral, to your long form videos, driving additional traffic to those long form videos, which are usually slower to grow. So essentially, you can push viral video traffic into your long form videos. I've been using this strategy on YouTube for a long time, and it's allowed me to get a lot more views on my long form videos and has increased my discoverability on those long form videos a lot. Another thing to realize is that the YouTube Shorts are also searchable. I have YouTube Shorts that are found through the Google search every single day, so it's really important that you use those SEO strategies on your YouTube Shorts as well. Now, I have a full course on YouTube, which I'll link in the description, and it goes over every single part of uploading and optimizing your videos for YouTube. The next platform I want to discuss is LinkedIn. I've been growing on LinkedIn for a long time. I am a business person, I am a professional, and for that reason, I really like LinkedIn. One of the best things that you can do on LinkedIn is use the search feature to find people who you're interested in connecting with or marketing to. I help a lot of coaches, speakers, authors monetize their knowledge and expertise online. So I type author, speaker, and coach into the search feature and will send connection requests so I can connect with those people and start to build that relationship. When I connect with them, they now start seeing my content in a higher frequency, and I can reach out to them to promote my different products, services, or events. LinkedIn is also pushing short form video. So those same shorts you're using on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, you can also repurpose those into LinkedIn. And I've seen people have a lot of success with short form vertical video on LinkedIn as well. One of the other things I recommend on LinkedIn is to use the events feature. The events is one of the most powerful features on LinkedIn because it allows you to send invitations to promotional events or to community events that you are hosting online. The third platform I want to discuss is Instagram. Instagram is still very popular among people, and what I want you to realize is the majority of time spent on Instagram is spent on these 3 things: stories, reels, and in the Messenger app. The majority of people spend the majority of time in one of those 3 things: the stories, the reels, and Messenger. So again, just like TikTok, you want to prioritize short form vertical video, posting it to your reels. You can post 1 reel a day, and you can post really an unlimited amount of stories per day. And as much as you can, utilize the direct messaging feature within Instagram Messenger, within the Messenger app, to reach out to people, to form relationships, and to do special promos and offers. There are some automation apps that allow you to send direct messages when people comment a certain word. You might have seen this many times on Instagram. People will say, comment travel to get my free travel guide, or comment affiliate to get my affiliate marketing guide. and they'll use an autoresponder and automation to instantly DM or direct message those people who respond with that particular keyword comment. The next platform is Facebook. The two features I really want to encourage you to use on Facebook are, again, the stories and the reels. People watch a lot of stories and watch a lot of reels on Facebook, and they distribute reels similarly on Facebook as they do Instagram. So if you want to go viral, utilizing those reels on Facebook is a really good idea. And they make it really simple on Instagram because you can tie your Instagram account to your Facebook and post to both at the exact same time. So you're not having to post individually on both platforms. Facebook groups are also a really great way to grow on social media. People love joining and participating in groups. So create a group around a particular topic you're interested in or a particular niche that you're interested, and then invite people into that Facebook group and encourage other people to invite people into that group too. Now, posts on Facebook and Instagram are relatively limited. They are very pay to play. You'll see that there is a lot more advertisement on both of those platforms than there was on TikTok, but I have seen a lot of people have a lot of success on both platforms simply by leveraging a lot of short form vertical video content. So I would recommend posting one reel a day on Facebook, posting as many stories as you'd like, and growing niche specific Facebook groups to try to grow community and your audience. The last platform I want to highlight is X, formerly known as Twitter. I think X or Twitter is one of the hardest platforms to grow on because there isn't a lot of virality necessarily. It is primarily news based. It's kind of hard to stay on top of the news all the time and to post as consistently as you need to on Twitter. I've seen much less virality, and you're not going to be able to repurpose those short form videos on the X platform like you will be able to on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Now, a lot of people prefer X more than any other platform, but for me, it's just been one of the harder platforms to grow on, and I am much more of a video person than a written person or a threads type person. But if you don't like short form video and you prefer text, creating written posts on X might be a preferable method of content creation for you. My last recommendation would be to have a really great monetization strategy. Diversifying your social media is important, but monetizing and getting those customers off platform is also extremely important as well. You want to implement lead magnets into your business so you can capture the email addresses of your followers, viewers, and commenters. I prefer to host my courses in lead magnets on The Great Discovery because every single person you introduce to the platform, even with a free lead magnet, is coded to you for life and becomes your lifetime customer. Meaning if they even just download your free lead magnet, then go buy any of the other products on the platform, you get paid a lifetime residual. Now you're turning free customers into lifetime customers and potentially creating long-term passive income for yourself. You can see here that I host all of my courses and my consulting services on the Great Discovery platform. From my YouTube course to my TikTok course to my SEO course to my personal one-on-one consulting sessions. I also host my community on this platform where people can subscribe for a monthly fee and participate in my different weekly events, see my newest and exclusive content, and comment and like and interact with me in a private setting. This is perfect for people who are podcasters, want to build an online community, or want to create monthly recurring revenue with a membership model. It's the Great Discovery's mission to be the largest monetized e-learning community on the planet. So no matter what content you're creating, whether it's academic learning, addiction and recovery, beauty and style, food and cooking, mindset, photography, podcasting, real estate, spirituality, or even kids content, you can host and sell it on the Great Discovery platform. Now, on this channel, we talk a lot about growing your online business, monetizing your brand and knowledge online, how to succeed as an affiliate, how to leverage AI for your business, and how education is the key to empowering people all over the planet. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.